what is Tulip Cafe?
So the Tulip Cafe is an opportunity for customers of Hollander to actually experience a bricks and mortar Hollander experience. Up until now, we would make products, sell it through distributors around the United States and around the world, quite frankly, but you couldn't actually come to the Hollander building. And at the same time, we were growing quite quickly, and we needed to have a place that we could bring our sales, our marketing, our operations, our R&D lab together as we were to grow. So this cafe is a place to get coffee, a place to experience chocolate products. It's also a place that you can experience Hollander products as we develop them. And we have two labs here, really. We have our Hollander R&D lab, where we're actually making new Hollander chocolates. But we also have the recipe lab, where we're taking those chocolates and we're turning them into more unique and more exciting coffee and chocolate beverages that we can then share with the world.
Can I do one more question quick?
Sure.
You are truly a gateway. You are right off of the highway. You are the welcoming committee for everyone coming downtown. You are the goodbye. Come get a drink before you leave, before you head back home. What a perfect spot. And this was an old car dealership?
This was an old car dealership, and it hadn't been used for, I think, 12 years. And it just sat idle, underutilized, really getting ugly. And the city had been very, very careful about who they wanted to let use it. They weren't going to break any existing zoning laws to let someone come in. They wanted something that was going to benefit the city. Right. And we are so happy and so fortunate that we were that company.
Did you see it the moment you drove up? Could you see it?
I could. I really could, John. I saw that this could be the place where we could put our stake in the ground and call home for the duration.
Yeah. And what a great town you've done it.
It's an amazing town. You couldn't ask for a better town, a more idyllic town, right on the water, so many fun things to do. Yeah. And we hope to be one of those 5 or 6 things that people do when they come into town.
It's going to happen.
I hope so. Come on in. Welcome to the lab.
Where the magic happens?
Where the magic happens, absolutely. This is literally a working lab. This is where we not only develop all of our formulas, but it's where we enhance all our formulas. So if we have an idea of something that we want to do that nobody's doing, or we think we can do it better, it starts right here. So Brandon is our lab tech, is also a microbiologist, and he is working on analyzing the bricks, the pH, the water activity, the things that you don't really think about, but we think about a lot. They're what make it possible for the product to be shelf stable, make sure that we don't get sick.
Alden, you are the VP of marketing, but I'm just going to call you the coffee guy because you come with a lot of culinary experience.
That's right. Yeah, really, I'm a coffee guy, I'm a culinary guy, and I love design. And this is really the dream job where you can put all of those things together and see a product come to life and have people get to enjoy them real time.
So the logos and the branding, that's all you, the color scheme, all that.
It was really a collaborative effort, but I'm the guy that put the pen to paper.
How fun.
You're really nice to say that. See, I'd be like, I did it all.
Yeah.
You're
well,
kind.
It's been a great partnership with Doug and Kurt and our other founders. All along, we've been super collaborative, which is an important part of who we are, because Doug has some things that he really loves. I have something that I really love. And we find a way to put them both together in a way that makes sense to everybody.
We haven't tasted one thing yet, but it looks like it has to be great.
Well, I hope it lives up.
Yeah.
And how neat that the public will have an opportunity to come and do this.
Absolutely. It's very unique for a company like us to have public access to our actual R&D lab. And so we're really excited to be really only one of the companies that I know about that is bringing in not only the public, but the community of Port Washington into the products that will eventually go out into the world.
Exciting.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Thanks, Alden.
Yeah, thank you.